In this video, the topic that we are going to learn about logarithmic differentiation. Before that, we quickly recall the power rule and the derivative of exponential function. So power rule, as we all know, that d by dx of x to the power n. So x power n differentiation is n into x power n minus 1. So this is power rule, and here we have x is a variable and n is a constant. So if we have a variable and a constant, so the derivative is nx power n minus 1. Derivative of exponential function, that is d by dx of a power x. See here, a is a constant and x is a variable, so that then the derivative is a power x into log a. Okay. For example, d by dx of, suppose if we have x power 5. Okay. Here x is a variable and this n is a constant value. Okay. So if we have variable and constant, we have to use the power rule, that is n into x power n minus 1. Here n value is 5. So 5 into x power 5 minus 1, that is 4. Suppose if we have d by dx of 3 power x. Here base value is 3 and the power value is x. Here base is a constant and the power is a, that is function, that is variable. So we have to use the derivative of exponential function, that is a power x log a. Here a value is 3, so that is 3 power x log 3. Next, suppose if we have d by dx of x power x. See, both the values are x and this base value is variable, and here also we have the variable. So both are variable. If this is the case, we have to take log on both sides. That is, the function involving variable exponents can be differentiated by taking log to these functions. Okay. Now we will solve some examples based on these types of problems. Let's get started. Okay, first example, differentiate x to the power x. So here we have both the base and the power value are x. So now first we have to assume y equal to x to the power x. So before differentiating this, first we have to take log on both sides. So I am taking log on both sides. So left hand side will become log y equal to log of x to the power x. So this equation can be written as log y equal to, see, this log of x power x can be written as x log x. That is, we have to use the log property, that is log a power n equal to n log a. So we are using this property here, that is log x power x equal to x log x. That is, we have to take this power term to the front side, so it will become x log x. Now we have to differentiate this. So differentiating with respect to x. So first log y differentiation is 1 by y into y differentiation dy by dx equal to, here we have x into log x. So this is product of two terms, x and log x. We have two terms. So first we have to keep first term, that is x, as it is, and we have to differentiate log x. So log x differentiation is 1 by x plus, now we have to keep this log x as it is, that is, this is u term and v term. So u into dv plus v into du. Okay. So v, that is log x into what is du, that is x differentiation. X differentiation is 1. Here this x and x will get cancelled. So we have 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, here we have 1 plus log x. So we want only dy by dx. So I am taking this 1 by y to the other side. So it will become y into 1 plus log x. here we have 1 divided by y. If you take this to the other side, it will become multiplication. So y into 1 plus log x. So dy by dx equal to, what is y? So that we assume y equal to x to the power x. So y value we have to substitute it as x power x. So that is x power x into 1 plus log x. Next example, differentiate x to the power tan x. Here also we have x, that is a base value, and we have the power tan x. So both are different functions. For this type of problem also we have to take log on both sides. Before that we are assuming that x power tan x to be some y. So y equal to x power tan x. So now we have to take log on both sides. So the left hand side, log y equal to log of x to the power tan x. So that is log y equal to, so this will become tan x into log x. That is, we are taking this power term to the front side, so it will become tan x into log x. So now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, so the left hand side will become, that is log y differentiation 1 by y into y differentiation is dy by dx equal to, here also again we have two terms, first term assumed to be u and second term as v. So that is u equal to tan x and v equal to log x. First we will differentiate this. So du by dx, that is tan x differentiation is secant square x, and dv by dx, log x differentiation is 1 by x. Now substitute it here, that is u into v, product rule formula. That is d by dx of uv equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So just substitute it here. First u into, what is u? Tan x into dv by dx, that is 1 by x, plus v value is log x into du by dx, that is secant square x. dy by dx equal to, I am taking this y to the other side, so it will become y into tan x divided by x plus log x into secant square x. So that is dy by dx equal to, what is the value of y? Here we have assumed y equal to x power tan x. So y value is x power tan x. So x power tan x into tan x divided by x plus log x into secant square x. So this is the answer. Next, third example, differentiate sin x to the power x. So first we have to assume y equal to sin x to the power x. Here also we have sin x and the power x. So both are two different functions. So first we have to take log on both sides, that is log y equal to log of sin x to the power x. So this is log y equal to, again we have to use the same property, that is log a power n. So that is n log a. So here we have x into log of sin x. So I am taking this x to the front side, so x into log of sin x. So now we have to differentiating this with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x. So left hand side log y, that is 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, again we have two different terms, so we have to use product rule, that is u and v. So u value is x and v value is log of sin x. Okay. So what is du by dx? That is x differentiation. So if you are differentiating x with respect to the same value, so we get 1. Next, dv by dx, this is log of sin x. So first differential of log x is 1 by x. So log of sin x is 1 by sin x. into sin x differentiation is cos x, correct? So first we have to differentiate for log. So log of sin x, that is 1 by sin x, and sin x differentiation is cos x. So this is cos x by sin x, that is nothing but cot x. So dv by dx value is cot x. Now substitute here. That is u into dv by dx. U value is x into dv by dx is cot x plus v, that is log of sin x into du by dx is 1. So that is dy by dx equal to, I am taking this y to the other side, so y into x into cot x plus log of sin x. So dy by dx equal to, what is x? That is sin x to the power x, that is the given problem, into x into cot x plus log of sin x. This is how we have to solve the problems involving variable exponents by taking logarithmics to these functions. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.